Welcome to Revel, the world's best destination for adventurers and explorers, for artists and romantics, for the curious and the wild at heart. Step into the world of travel insight and destination inspiration. Revel in the experience. We're excited to bring you this content, so please take a quick moment to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to be alerted when we release a new Revel video. If you like our content, please take just a quick second to click that like button. It really helps support more great content on YouTube, like this video. Thank you! Today, we are going to share 15 essential road trip hacks and tips which you can apply for your long drive. Be sure to watch all the way to the end, as our top essential tip will be an ultimate lifesaver on the road. Number 15. Hang a shoe organizer for hygiene essentials. Quick access to your hygiene essentials while on the road is a must to lessen the hassle of scrambling to look through your bag to find what you need. A shoe organizer could be used for another function such as this. Try hanging it on the neckrest of the front seat and then stuff it with wipes, alcohol, bottled water, or anything you might need in an instant. Number 14. Have a multi-outlet adapter as a charging station. Next on our list is a hack that will sustain your phone's battery life while on a long journey. Nowadays, people become dependent on their smartphones for GPS, entertainment, and searching for places to dine, so the chances of needing more than one plug-in are likely high, especially when you are traveling with kids. Have a centralized multi-adapter as a charging station, plug it in your car, and keep your cords organized and sustain your phone's battery life. Number 13. Complete car checkup. A majority of the breakdowns usually happen when you are in the middle of the road, and difficulty contacting a licensed mechanic can add to your struggle. Before heading out for a long drive, get a car checkup at least a week earlier. Ensure that your wheels, battery, brakes, oil, and tire pressure are in good condition. Number 12. Snacks in a craft box. If you have kids along with you while traveling on the road, it can be convenient to have a place for their snacks. Make use of an old craft box for hassle-free packing of snacks for your kiddos. It could make the trip more fun for them too. Number 11. Gum containers for coins and bills. Passing through the tolls then paying the exact amount can be a convenient way to settle it. Make use of gum containers to store coins and bills that you might need for paying the toll fees. With this, you are not only utilizing a hack, but you are also helping the environment by recycling plastic. Number 10. Turn the tissue box to a plastic box. Are you bound for a swimming trip? Then this hack is perfect for you. Plastics can be disturbing if they are floating around your car. So to keep things in place, get an empty tissue box and neatly fold the plastics inside. Voila! You now have a plastic box which you can bring anywhere you swim to store your wet clothes. Number 9. Don't entertain calls while driving. With authorities repetitively warning motorists to be vigilant while taking the highway, accidents are still on the rise. Among the major reasons for accidents is using the phone while driving. Even if you're hands-free, talking on the phone while driving is hazardous. Your brain's focus tends to decrease by up to 1/3 when you are doing more than one thing at the same time. It's like watching TV and playing on the phone at the same time. If it seems like an emergency, better look for a safe zone to stop and take the call. Number 8. Ready the emergency kit. Ensuring your safety on every road trip you take is a must, including when an emergency occurs. So, to keep yourself well prepared, always have an emergency kit in your car containing distilled water, a battery charger, a first aid kit, jumper cables, and flares or reflectors. In addition, be sure to have an extra tire. Number 7. Water to keep hydrated. Each person must have bottled water with them to keep hydrated at all times. Remember, dehydration can result in headaches and crankiness. Better keep your body full of water to stay active and healthy. As doctors usually say, drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Becoming ill on the day of your road trip doesn't sound fun. Number 6. DIY trash bin. Trash bins are not always present along the road you'll take, so not having one may make it harder to keep your car clean. To prevent such problems, grab a cereal container from your pantry, insert plastic inside before putting the lid back, and put a label on it. Now you have an alternative trash bin to put your trash in temporarily. Number 5. Find your perfect travel mate. Not fond of exploring places with your family? Your friends would probably be your next choice. However, road trips can possibly make or break a friendship, even though they can be great fun. Has the thought of being stuck with a friend in a car for hours ever crossed your mind? When the navigation or GPS can't reach a signal? And if no one among you can read a paper map? Would they still be interested to push through? Or would they prefer to end the trip by finding the nearest bar for drinks? Make sure to invite your best travel friend that can handle you at your best and your worst. Number 4. Book in advance to avoid the peaks. There are certain attractions that sell out fast like famous tourist spots. If you want to have a better view of the main sites you want to visit, work on early reservations or schedule in advance so you can secure your desired slot. The same goes for when you book your accommodation to some hotels and motels. You would not want to miss out on a once-in-a-lifetime scenic view. Number 3. Stream your favorite music playlist. Listening to your favorite songs can hype you up and set a mood, which is fun to have on a road trip. As there will be plenty of time, keeping you entertained will definitely contribute to your activeness while driving. Using your smartphone, you can have your favorite songs or playlists downloaded, or you can choose to stream your favorite music online. Number 2. Install navigation apps. Wondering about the pathways you'll see upon heading to your destination? Have some navigation apps downloaded on your phone to be prepared. Enter your origin and your destination for help with navigation. Study the roads, streets, and alleys on the map. That if you think it would be a hassle or you think you'll surely end up in a traffic jam when you take that road, you can make adjustments. You also have to be ready for unexpected turns and on-the-spot decisions. Number 1. Keep important documents on hand. For our ultimate essential road trip tip, this may save you the most. Since you are up for a long drive and you aren't that sure when and where you'll encounter problems, better keep this useful tip in mind. Have a copy of your license, registration, car insurance policy, relevant contact number, and of course your car's manual. It is better to have those on you so you are properly protected and guided. Have a safe and joyous road trip. Whether you are a pro or a novice, you can still face challenges on a road trip. Mastering some hacks and tips can make you feel at ease. Which one of these vital hacks and tips do you find the most essential? Comment below. We'd love to hear what you will try out. Thanks for watching, Revelers! Hey, are you a Reveler yet? If not, what in the world? Join the movement! Click to subscribe, ring the bell to get notified when we upload a new video, and visit our store to let the world know that you are a Reveler.